Hey, this is Joey here at Best Trailers. Today I'm going to show you how to properly wire up a 7-way trailer pigtail. There is a couple different wire diagrams, which I'll show you both of them coming up here. Come on forward and take a look here. Now, plug I'm using made by Kurt. It's part number 58140. A little bit dyslexic there. Now I'm just going to pull it all the way off so that you can see everything here. Now there's a couple ways to wire it, like I said. The common way is just color to color on the back here. You can see the colors they make. A lot of manufacturers use them, a lot of them don't because it's technically the wrong way if you ask most manufacturers. If you ask me, it's the wrong way. The color wiring shouldn't change. Now, if you do change colors, this is how it's gonna wire up. You use your orientation here, your cut out there, that's the bottom of your plug. And then from there, top left, you're gonna go to your white wire, which will be your ground wire. That'll still be white to white, both plug-in diagrams. And then your next one up above that is gonna be your yellow wire, which goes to the red terminal. That's your left turn signal. And then above that will be your brown wire, which is gonna go to the green terminal. That's your trailer running lights. And then I'm gonna show you this one over here, which is in the 3 o'clock position. That is your green wire, which is on the brown terminal. That is your right turn signal. Easiest way to remember that, yellow's on the left, it's got an L in it, so yellow goes on the left. Green has an R in it, so green goes on the right. Now for the other 3 terminals here, your center terminal is your backup lights, which is commonly not used. Most people just throw that one out. Now, depending on how you try wiring, the next ones can change a little bit. The common wiring is your top 1 o'clock position right here is going to be your 12-volt auxiliary, and the black one will run your 12-volt auxiliary. Then your bottom, right here beside the white, is going to be your brake wires, which will typically be your blue wire. And you'll just connect that into there. They just slide in. My thing's messed up there. Give the wires a twist, makes it easier to put them in the hole. Slide it in and then tighten it down with a screwdriver. Now in your plug, to take it apart, there is 2 screws, 1 set screw on the bottom to keep the plug tight with the wire, and then 1 set screw on the top to keep this from pulling out. You just gotta make sure you line everything up and back it off. That'll be a small flathead there and a standard Phillips on the back on that screw. And that'll be it. That'll be how 2 wiring diagrams for wiring up the 7-pin trailer plug.